our little 363 small block Ford. It's got done running. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the Borla system on it. It has got the Shelby cylinder heads, Shelby aluminum block, Aviaid oil pan, really nice setup, custom ground hydraulic roller. Got the Shelby signature valve covers, the March serpentine belt setup on it. It's your charge. Obviously, it's EFI. It's done by Holley Terminator X. Great system. Take you in there and show you how she ran. Alrighty. 3700, it's 407 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 447, good flat, a lot of 40s in there. That's the Borla. Peak horsepower 517. Rated at 530, got a front end on it, so everything great. Get her off there, get in a crate, come your way, have a great day.